So you're Canadian, and you're headed to the United States. Maybe for a short trip, maybe to live, or maybe just to shop. The question on your mind is, can you just use your Canadian TD card at a TD Bank branch in the US? It's a question we hear all the time, and the answer is a little more complex than a simple yes or no. TD Bank operates in both Canada and the US, but they are actually separate legal entities. Think of them like two different siblings who share the same last name. TD Canada Trust is a Canadian bank, and TD Bank, America's most convenient bank, is its US counterpart. Because of this, your accounts with TD Canada Trust are Canadian, and a US branch can't directly access them in the same way your home branch can. This separation means you can't walk into a TD Bank branch in Florida, for example, and expect them to pull up your Canadian account history or process a transaction on your Canadian account like they would in a Toronto branch. The systems and regulations are different. While you can't just use your Canadian account as if it were a US one, TD has created a whole suite of solutions specifically for cross-border banking. The easiest and most convenient way to manage your money is by setting up a TD cross-border banking solution. This usually means having a US-based account with TD Bank, America's most convenient bank, linked to your TD Canada Trust accounts. With this setup, you can transfer money easily. You can move funds between your Canadian and US accounts, often for free, using services like the TD Bank, US, to TD, Canada, transfer on EasyWeb. Avoid high fees. Having a US dollar account means you can spend in USD without paying foreign exchange fees on every transaction. Access cash easily. You can withdraw cash from your Canadian dollar account at any TD Bank, America's most convenient bank ATM in the US. While there's no ATM fee from TD on either side of the border, other network fees may apply. So, what about your existing Canadian TD card? Yes, you can absolutely use it in the US. Your TD Access card, debit card, is on the Visa network, so it's accepted at millions of merchants and ATMs worldwide. But remember, when you use it for purchases, the bank will convert the US dollar amount to Canadian dollars at their exchange rate, and this often comes with a foreign currency conversion fee, typically around 2.5% of the transaction amount. So, while your Canadian card works, it's not the most cost-effective way to manage your money for frequent or long-term US trips. The bottom line is, while TD Bank is a presence in both countries, the best way to handle your finances across the border is to take advantage of their specialized cross-border banking solutions.